welcome back again. Hope you all are having a blessed time in Ramadan. So today's recipe from a Turkish cuisine, the Fatayer bread. And it's very soft, juicy and tender. I hope you would like it. Let's see what are the ingredients you need to make this bread. Take 2.5 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 cup warm milk, 1 tablespoon or 7 gram of dry yeast, 1/3 cup melted butter, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Very few ingredients you need. Add 1 cup warm water into the bowl and then warm milk. Make sure it's lukewarm. Add 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar and the salt. Mix well. Cover it and keep it aside. And now you can see the yeast is ferment. Now we'll add the flour. Add 2.5 cups of flour. Mix it well. And now I'm adding 1/3 cup of melted butter. Take the dough, clean the surface and knead well. In this way. Take the same bowl, add some oil, glaze it. Put the dough inside the bowl, cover it and let sit for about 30 minutes. And now the dough is double in size. Let's take it, roll it, cut it into equal pieces and roll it. Let's set this for about 10 minutes more. And now we'll make the filling. For that, I've taken 1 can tuna chunks, and then 2 green chili chopped, 1 medium-sized onion, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Mix well. That's it. The creamy tuna filling is ready. Now we'll make the bread. Take the dough, roll it well. Make it thin as much as you can. And make small cuts. Try to do it in the same way. Fold it back. Give a good press in the edges. Take 1 tablespoon of the filling and fold like this. That's it. It's done, and I'll show you once again. Just give small cuts. It's easy like a samosa folding. Make sure the edges are closed. And the bread is ready now. Make the rest in the same way. Take a baking tray. Place the breads. And then give it an egg wash. For extra taste, mix herbs and then bake it. Here you go. The soft and tasty Turkish Fatayer bread is ready now. And now you can see how soft and juicy filling inside. Make your iftar table more creative with this recipe. Kids will also like this. I hope you all like my video. If so, like, comment and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.